na malalim ang commitment. It is understandable that some of your downlines, okay lang hindi nagko-commit. But you, as trailblazers, as prime movers of AIM Global here in Singapore, ang expectation sa inyo is that kayo, meron kayong 100% commitment din. When I say commitment, magbibigay talaga kayo ng time at saka ng effort. Dalawa yan. Time and effort yan. Mapagod ka talaga, bibigay ka talaga ng time. Ganyan eh. Kasi, success requires time and effort. So, commit for at least 1 year. Do your best for the next 1 year. And never stop until you reach that 1 year. But believe me, in 1 year's time, while doing your best, bago tayo mabot ng 1 taon, malayo na kayo dito. Believe me, pag kayo talagang binalik kayo dito, malayo na kayo dito. 6 months, 1 year time, malayo na kayo. In fact, the next time I come back here, probably after 6 months or 1 year, kayo naman na magkukwento sa akin kung ano naman ang mga meron kayo. I mean, di ba? Kaya lang, yun nga, there's a price you have to pay. You really have to work hard, sacrifice. Kayo yung trailblazers eh. Kayo yung magpapioneer ng AIM Global dito. Kayo yung mga prime movers. Kayo yung mga shapers. So that's why, syempre, sa mga nauuna, alam mo yun, mas matindi ang effort ninyo eh. Kasi kayo yung magpe-pave the way eh. Yung mga susunod at swerte na nila. But guess what? You will be more rewarded than those who will follow. Kasi ang mga leaders, mas malaki ang bayad sa kanila kaysa sa mga followers. Tama ba yun? So, assume leadership, step up, get out of your comfort zone, work hard. And always tell yourself na ito, delayed lang ang gratification dito. Postpone gratification. The gratification may never be tomorrow, next month, but believe me, if you work hard, what you sow is what you reap. Kung ano yung tinanim mo yan, nakaanihin mo. So, tanim mo na kayo. One good thing about AIM, about network marketing, ang tinatanim mo dito, mangga, hindi munggo. Pag munggo kasi, nagtanim ka, bukas may toke ka na eh. Pag inanim mo, yun na naman, magtatanim ka na naman. Tama? Mabilis tumubo, pero mabilis mawala. Mangga, hindi gano'n. Pag nagtanim ka ng mangga, next year may bunga na. 2 years. 3 years. Probably after 4 to 5 years bago magbunga yan. Pero wag ka. Pag namunga yung mangga, okay, ani ka ng ani. Ikaw na nagtanim, patay ka na, umaani pa. May bunga pa yung mangga mo. Tama mali? Ganun na ganun ang networking. Dito, merong residual income. Residual income is an income that you derive from your network even after the work has been finished. Tapos na yung trabaho, binabayaran ka pa ng AIM Global. Kaya dito, one time lang yung effort. One time lang in the sense na ibuhos mo na lahat sa simula. Pero pag pumutok yung network mo, kahit wala ka ng effort, tuloy-tuloy na ang pagkita mo. Yes. Di ba yung maganda yung ganun? Maganda. So ang tawag namin dyan, delayed gratification. So sometimes, you know, you will get tired, you will get unpaid, kasi wala pa masyadong nagbabanggaan sa $45 down the line. But time will come. Ganun naman yun eh, di ba, na habang tumatagal, lumalaki yung network mo, and eventually, wala namang pupuntahan yun eh. Okay? Ang fundamentals ng success, very basic lang. You have to really work hard, mag-commit ka, focus, be persistent, because, in other words, failure, sa lahat ng mga attitude, failure can never handle persistence. If you're so persistent, sabi nga nila, persistence is like an ant who tries to devour a tiger. Sipin mo lang kakainin tigre. Persistence is like an ant who tries to devour a tiger. Small but repeated attempt will complete any undertaking. Small but repeated. Small but repeated. Tama, di ba? Small but repeated. OPP lang na OPP. Small but repeated. OPP ulit. Small but repeated. Bukas OPP ulit. Sa isang araw, OPP ulit. Agahan mo, OPP. Tanghalian mo, OPP. Merienda mo, OPP. Sa gabi, OPP. Small but repeated attempt. Eventually, ladies and gentlemen, magiging global ambassador ka din. Kaya, yung successful, unti-unti yan. Because you don't eat an elephant one. Paano kinakain ng isang elepante? One slice at a time. Diba? One bite at a time. Ganun din yun. Yung global ambassador, hindi mo kukunin ng 1,000 points, ganun-ganun. Paunti-unti, ulitin ko. Small but repeated attempt. Basic lang ang networking. Sponsoring ka lang ng sponsoring. Keep selling the products, keep inviting. Keep selling the products, keep inviting. While at the same time, using the products. Kung isasama ko yung ginawa ko for 14 years, tatlo lang. I used the product, I sold the product, I sponsored people into my business. That's it. Maliit na bagay lang, pero repeated. Until eventually, nag-accumulate, di ba? Alam niyo yung power ng compounding, kung tawagin. Yung effort mo, nagko-compound yan. Habang lumalaki na lumalaki, parang snowball na bumababa from the mountain. Maliit lang siya from the mountain on top eh. Pero, you know, small snowball effect, habang tumatagal, pag bumaba, ano na siya? Lumalaki. Ganun din to, ang effort dito sa una maliit. Kasi mag-isa ka pa lang eh. Pero yung mag-isa mo, dumadami. Yung maliliit na effort ng bawat tao na yun, pag pinagsama-sama, lumalaki. Lahat yun, ano, nakayugtong, accumulated yun sa'yo. So, sa una lang mahirap, parang kotse, di ba? Pag tinutulak yung kotse, dahil wala kang momentum, lahat ng effort, di ba? Pero pagka mandar na siya, di ba tuloy-tuloy na? Ganun din to. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi, huwag kayo lagi magsisimula. Pag nasimulan nyo na to, ituloy-tuloy nyo na. Yung ibang ginagawa, pag sinimulan, hihinto. After 2 months, naramdaman niya, gusto niya ulit mag-team, babalik na naman, magsisimula ka na naman. After 3 months na pagod, huwag muna ulit. After 2 months, medyo may feeling na naman siya, bumalik. Paano ka matatapos kung lagi ka nagsisimula? Kaya pag sinimulan mo to, dire-diretso na. Pag na yung, that's it. Go for the killing, ang tawag nga eh. Go for the killing. Okay? Yan yung commitment. Commitment is based on attitude. Now, there was once a rabbit and a fox. Ewan ko na tawag sa group of fox. Herd ba tawag doon? Basta group of fox. Sabi ng isang fox sa mga kapwa niya fox, you see that rabbit? I will run after that rabbit and eat it for my lunch. Sabi niya sa barkada niyang fox. Hinahabol niya yung rabbit. Yung rabbit, nakita siya. Takbo ng takbo yung rabbit. Paikot-ikot sila sa field until eventually, the rabbit escaped. So walang pananian yung fox. He went back dun sa mga friends mga fox. Malayo pa siya, kinakatsawan na siya ng mga friends niyang fox. Sabi ng fox, tingnan mo, yabang mo kasi, wala ka tuloy panangalian. Sabi ng fox, you don't understand. I was running for my lunch. That rabbit was running for his life. Kahit ikaw yung rabbit eh. Pag inabutan kayo, buhay mo nakataya. Yung fox, kahit papetik-petik siya, okay lang kasi lunch lang naman. Now, when you're doing AIM Global, saan kayo sa dalawa? Are you the fox or are you the rabbit? When I joined this business several years ago, nilagay ko yung sarili ko sa edge. Minandset ko yung sarili ko that I was running for my life when I did this business. That's why in 3 months, I take income. We have the same opportunity but nagkakaiba tayo sa level of commitment. Mas malalim yung level of commitment mo. Pag nakataya buhay, ibang klase itong gumalaw, mag-operate ang human being. When life is at stake, human being tend to operate differently. Pag buhay ang nakataya. When Julius Caesar was trying to conquer Sicily, at that time, sila yung mga invaders gamit ng ships. Pero pagdating nila sa Sicily, nagkamali sila kasi yung Sicily, mas marami kaysa sa kanila. Parang ang ratio 3:1. 10,000 sila, yung sasalubong sa kanila. Ang tungkol sa go back to Rome, and then balik na lang with more reinforcement. But Julius Caesar, being a military genius, alam mo ginawa niya? Pina-formation niya yung soldiers niya sa seashore na nakaharap dun sa mga ships niya. And inutusan niya iba niyang mga generals na in front of this formation of soldiers, sunugin mo yung ship sa harap ng mga soldiers. So in front of these soldiers, nasusunog yung ship nila. So how would you feel? No retreat. Patay kong dahil yun ang motivation nila, patay kung patay. The rest is history. Julius Caesar conquered almost half of Europe. So ganun din dito. Andito ka na eh. Burn your bridges. Patay kung patay. Ito yan. Patay kung patay. Ito na yun eh. Kung baga sa ulan, nabasa ka na. Maligo na tayo. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy mo na. Nandito ka na eh. Nagkahiya ka na eh. Napahiya ka na eh. Tuloy mo na. Tama ba yun? Commitment. Number 3, well, dapat dito ma-develop yung tinatawag naming belief system. Sets of belief na dapat everyday pinapractice mo hanggang, bumaba sa subconscious mind. Well, believe in the company. Okay? AIM Global has been around for 4 years. It's very young. we were able to develop at least 300 millionaires for the last 4 years. It can happen here in Singapore. Believe me. I've seen it happen to a lot of countries in my former networking company. Pag mayroong mga prime movers, may mga leaders na talagang very committed, ang daming kumikita dun sa country na yun. So, our company is doing everything. We're in expansion to a lot of countries. We're in negotiation with, katulad sinabi ko kanina, people from Korea, Malaysia, Taiwan, even Europe, Dubai, and US. Ang dami nangyayari sa company natin. Like in the Philippines, we have about 80 branches all over the Philippines right now. We just purchased several units dun sa 7th floor ng ating headquarters. We just bought a unit in Cebu. Yung office natin sa Cebu, magugulat kayo. World class, ang ganda talaga. Lobby pa lang. Convinced na yung downline ninyo. Kasi ang ganda talaga, world class talaga siya. We're renovating our office in Davao. I'm very proud to tell you that we're only the networking company who offers 3 kinds of marketing plan all at the same time, overlapping each other. Tayo lang ang may marketing plan na 3. Okay? Ano yung 3 na yun? Yung binary program, meron tayong uni-level, meron tayong stair-step. Okay? Tayo lang ang may program na ganito. Some companies, binary lang. Yung ibang company, uni-level lang. Wala silang stair-step. Yung ibang company, merong binary and uni-level. But some companies, meron lang stair-step. Tayo lang ang meron ito. Binary, uni-level, and stair-step. Iba yung kinikita mo dito. Iba pa yung kinikita mo dito. Iba pa yung kinikita mo dito. Patong-patong. Kaya mahihilo ka sa kitaan eh. Tama? Kasi very generous yung marketing plan. And the three owners, Dr. Ed, Francis Miguel, and John Asperin, they have an extensive experience in network marketing. Kasi mga distributors din to. They're just not typical businessmen na, came up with an idea, invested money, and put up this networking company. No, they are actually networkers, so they feel like us, they bleed with us. Kaya alam nila yung mga nararamdaman ng bawat isa sa atin. So, believe in the company. Letter B, believe in the products. Ito, walang shortcut dito. The only way you can believe the products to use the products. Because pag nagamit mo yung product, mapipil mo siya eh. In fact, dito gagaling ka magbenta pagka heavy user ka ng product. So, keep on using our products. Letter C, of course, believe with your downlines. Okay? Lahat ng downlines inyo. Remember, kayo, para kayong big brother ng downline nyo. When things are down, kayo yung magpapalakas ng loob ng downlines inyo. Kung downline ka, well, of course, you have to believe in your uplines. Iniwala ka dapat sa upline.